Flowmaster, the industry leader in performance technology, introduces our all-new FlowFX Cat-back exhaust system for the 2019 GM 1500 crew cab and double cab models with the 5.3-liter engine. This does not fit the crew cab two-wheel drive models with the two-piece driveshaft. This easy-to-install bolt-on Cat-back exhaust system is manufactured using all-durable 409S stainless steel and features 3-inch inlet pipe leading into a single inlet, dual-outlet FlowFX straight-through muffler for a great sound and maximum performance. And then it's finished off with the 2.5-inch stainless steel tailpipes that reuse the factory OEM exhaust tips that exit through the rear bumper valance. The new FlowFX Cat-back exhaust system delivers a deep, powerful tone inside and outside the vehicle with all the performance benefits that you expect from Flowmaster, and all Flowmaster systems are dyno-tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking to give your GM 1500 more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system is for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for a simple at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind while protecting your investment. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.